smile me.
You can't.
Mom, sister, what smile you, sister?
Yeah, sister smiles.
Sister,
Who is sister? What is sister's name?
Sister Barnes.
No. Josh.
Huh?
What is your sister's name?
Sister Barnes?
Not Sister Barnes.
Audrey Barnes?
Yes, Audrey Barnes. Please, Josh, please put that back in the middle of the table, honey.
Is this the middle?
Yep, that's the middle. Thank you.
That's the side.
Well, it is kind of close to the side. You want to push it closer in the middle, please?
Huh? What?
Push it. Yeah, a little bit more in the middle.
Whoa! I got this again.
Oh, goodness.